Hi there. Today we are going to discuss about a common issue on Windows laptops. No audio drivers are installed, or a audio error icon on right top corner. Open Device Manager. Right click Windows button and click Device Manager. In Device Manager, go to System Devices. Expand System Devices. There you can see uh, Intel Smart Sound Technology controllers. These are the controllers which is responsible for driving sound on your laptop. The error usually comes when these two controller drivers are corrupted. What we need to do is uninstall both the drivers one by one in the order as shown. First, right click on the one ends with OED. And click uninstall device. Tick mark the option shown in below. I will attempt to remove software option. Tick mark that and click uninstall. After clicking uninstall, the system may ask to restart. Simply cancel that option. Do not restart. We need to uninstall the other one too. Right click on the first one, audio controller. Right click and click uninstall device. Tick mark the option to remove driver. Then click uninstall. After uninstalling both, you can now restart the laptop or the computer, and the audio will be back functioning. Comment if you have any doubt. Thanks for watching.